Morning everyone. This is Ayushi. Let's continue our English class for class 7th. So students, in our previous class we have completed our simple present tense and present continuous tense. Now today we are going to complete the remaining tenses of present tense. Those are present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. So without further ado, let's get started.
Today's class, first of all, tally the answers of previous class homework. In that I asked you, fill in the blanks with the present continuous tense of the given verbs. Now you can see here I have given you the blanks as well as options also. So first of all you should know what is the form that you are supposed to fill. So if we talk about the form of present continuous tense, that is am are plus is plus, that is ing form. As continuous is given, that's why ing form is important. Okay, so when is with singular, am with I, are with plural, and with everyone you have to put ing. Okay, so now let's see first one. Hurry up, Amit is what? Singular, that's why is waiting for us. Fine, that's why is waiting is our answer. Next one, I always with I you have to put am. So meet ing form meeting. I am meeting Janki today. I hate to be disturbed when again I is given, that's why am work ing form working. Do you know the boy who is standing? Now see here we are talking about not who. Who is a relative one. Okay. The boy we are talking about. So the boy is what? This is our singular. That's why with this we have put here is, and stand ing form standing. Okay, so do you know the boy who is standing on the platform by himself? Let me warn you that you be count as a plural. That's why we have to put here plural verb, that is are making a mistake. We again plural, that's why are studying for tomorrow's exam. Zubin, singular one, is pruning the plants. Pruning, what does it mean pruning? Like suppose uh, you are going to be more beautiful of that plant, okay, doing cutting and all, that is called pruning. Okay, we are preparing the dough for the cake. So we again plural, that's why are preparing the dough for the cake. Okay, so I hope you all have done your homework carefully. Now, today let's continue with the further tenses. As previous we have done two tenses. What are these two tenses? The first one is simple present tense, and after that the second one is present continuous tense. Okay, now today we will cover up present perfect tense. So, what is this? Present perfect tense is used to express an event that started in the past. Okay, means it has started already in the past and the impact of the event is now continuing, or a long running event that started in the past and is still going on. Means anything, suppose you have started your homework yesterday and today also you are doing your homework, that will come your present perfect tense. Okay, this tense is used to express actions completed recent past. Now suppose after what I said, now you have done your homework carefully. Okay, so you have done, it means work you have started earlier only, but in the present recent time you have completed. Okay, that's why I said you have done. Fine, like this, whatever the still effect is going on, present duration, that has to be present perfect tense. Same in this also we can frame three kind of sentences: positive, negative, or interrogative. Simple one. In this, first of all you should know the form that we are going to be used here, that is has, have, and plus has, have plus verb, third form. Okay, so in this, same as has with singular, have with plural, and with both of them you have to put verb third form. Okay, just see here, positive, I we count as a plural, that's why I have seen. So I we count as a plural, that's why have seen. See third form, seen. Now the negative one, simple. What is the helping verb here? Helping verb is have. So after this helping verb we have to put the negative word, that's why we have put here not. So I have not seen, yeah, I haven't seen. For framing the question, put the helping verb in the front of the sentence and you have put here question, you have to put here question mark also. Okay, so that is question mark. So don't forget this, you have to put here question mark. Okay, same, you also we count as a plural, that's why you, then have seen, then negative, you have not seen, yeah, you haven't seen, and for interrogative, have you seen? Okay, he we count as a plural, as a singular, sorry, that's why we have to put here has. He has seen. So he has not seen, negative one, has he seen? Then this is interrogative one. Okay, she singular, that's why has. Only main thing you have to keep in your mind, singular has, plural have. It singular has, we plural, that's why have. You plural, that's why have. They also plural, that's why have. So I think you have understood. Mainly with you student, the problem is what is the third form of this word. Like suppose if I talk about some of the words I'm giving here, I'm giving you here run. Third form is run, ran, run. If I talk about talk, talk, talked, talked. Read, 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 read. Means spelling is same but pronunciation is different. Okay, same. Give, third form, give, gave, given. Fine. Took, third form, took, take, taken. So actually students, we are using nowadays regularly in our day-to-day life. So you must be knowing all these words, only then you are able to fill these third forms. Okay. So I hope you have understood. Now let's continue further. Then last tense of the present tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. As you can see here, here what is written? Present perfect. So perfect form you know very well, that is has, have and plus verb third form. Okay, and continuous form you know very well, that is, am, are, then ing form. Fine. If I talk about only present perfect tense, then we have to use has have plus verb third form. If we have to use present continuous tense, we have to use is am are plus ing. But when we are joining them, both of them, here what are we doing? We are joining both of them. So in that condition, see, perfect is given front. So we are taking from perfect tense only helping verb. Okay. This we will not take. This we will not take. Okay, fine, this we will not take. Now same, continuous is given after perfect, so that from this we will take ing form. Okay, so in this what we will not take? These helping verbs, because we have taken helping verb from perfect. So now if you are going to join, so what will be the form? The form will be has, have, after that ing form. Now see, when we are joining them, then one joining word will also be there. So what is that? That is been. Okay, so here the complete form that we are going to be used, that is has, have plus been plus ing. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Has again with singular, have with plural, been with both of them, ing with both of them. Now see, I we count as a plural, that's why I have been starting. Okay, I we count as a plural, that's why I have been starting. You we count as a plural, you have been starting. He singular, he has been starting. She singular, she has been starting. It again singular, it has been starting. We plural, we have been. You we you plural, that's why have. They again plural, that's why have. Same for framing the negative sentence. Simple. After the helping verb, you have to put not. After have, you can see I have not been, he has not been, she has not been, it has not been, and so on. We have not been. And same for framing the question, put the helping verb in front of the question. Have I been starting? Have you been starting? Simple. So I hope you have understood present perfect continuous tense. From perfect we have taken has, have. From continuous we have taken ing, and as we have joined both of them, the joining word is been. And what does it on what is this? That this tense indicates that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time. In the perfect, in the present time it has finished. Okay, but in this tense it is also continuing right now also. Okay, so I think you have understood. Now in this present perfect continuous tense, you must be knowing about the for and since format. Okay, what is this actually? For framing the sentence, for and since, these are the prepositions we are going to be used. As you can see, I have been living in Japan since 2012, means 2012, since 2012 I have been living in Japan. Okay, but on the other case, I have been living in Japan for 4 years. Fine. So where we have to put since, where we have to put for, this we are going to be see here. These words we are going to use in present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now see, as I am living in Japan from 2012 until now, still I am living. Okay. And here also I have been living in Japan for 4 years, means now also I am living. Okay. Now also work is continuing. Okay, now see how to use since plus starting point. You have to use since. Okay, and continuous until now, till now. Fine. For the duration of period time, duration like 4 years, this is the duration. Okay, and since 2012, this is the starting point. Fine. Now just see some more examples. For plus period of time, this is for the period of time, as well as number plus time word. You can see here, I studied English in Ireland for 2 years. So that is number is given already. Okay, for around I will be there for around 2 months. So again that period of time is given. Okay, time word is given. We have been married for 14 years. Again period of time is given, or we can say number is given. Fine. So for 10 minutes, for 8 hours, for 5 days, for 6 months, for 3 years, for 2 centuries. So period of time is given, number is given, time word is given. Then you have to put for. When the starting point is given, tab say. In that condition, you have to use since. A time or a date is also mentioned. Like he hasn't eaten since 7 o'clock. So that is time is given since 7 o'clock. In this time was not like that. Okay. I have been working here since June. So that is month is given. Okay, again month also included in the time. We have been married since 2002. So tab se married him. Okay, fine. So that is starting point. So since 8 o'clock, since Monday, since February, since 1982, since I left school, since the end of the last century. Means that is the time is given. Not exactly 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, but indirectly time is given since I left school. I did not meet him, or anything, any sentence you can frame. Understood? So for the period of time, number plus time word, since, starting point, a time or a date. Generally we use for since in our perfect continuous tense. Okay, so that sometime it will help you to identify the sentence, that this sentence is present perfect continuous tense, whether it is present, past or future. Okay, now, and this is a classwork student. In this you have to make the table of present tense only. So tense, simple, verb first form or SORES we are going to be used. Do or does, the helping verbs for the negative or interrogative sentences. Continuous one is MR plus ing, and the perfect one has have plus verb third form. Perfect continuous has have been plus ing. This already we have explained. I have explained you all. Now, this is the classwork. Fill in the blank with the present continuous or the present perfect continuous tense of the given verb. Now, first of all, whenever you are getting any exercise, write down the key point. Now, see, present continuous is given. So here, what is the form? You should know that we have to put is am, are, okay, and then plus ing we have to put. This we know. Now present perfect continuous, what are the forms? That is has, have, then plus joining word is been, then plus and ing form. Okay, so that is for the present perfect continuous. Now when the work is finished, when the work is going on in the present time, then you have to use present continuous. When the work is started in the past and still going on, then you have to use has, have plus been plus ing. Now see, you will understand by these examples. Mary dash water from the new well for washing clothes. So only one work she is doing. So Mary is drawing water, means she is pouring water from the new well for washing clothes. So nothing is given for the relation between from the past. Okay, that's why we have used here present continuous tense. Sujan dash the letter at the moment. At the moment, what is Sujan doing? Sujan is drafting the letter. So again, in this sentence also, no relation is given from the past. Okay. The kids dash computer games for 2 hours. Now see, as I told you, this will help you to identify the sentence. This for is telling that for 2 hours, from past tense, from the past, they started any activity before 2 hours. Now till now it is going on. That's why we have used here present perfect continuous tense. Kids plural, that's why have been playing. It dash all week in Srinagar. Now see, all week. All week means what? Like suppose that it has been, that has to be snowing, student. Okay, so that is snowing. It has been snowing. SNOWING. It has been snowing all week in Srinagar. So see, it has been snowing. So snowing from Monday, suppose it has started and till now it is going on. So again, the activity started in the past only and it is continuing in the present also. That's why this is our present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so I hope you have understood it. Singular, that's why has been snowing. We plural, that's why for we dash for Trisha since 9 a.m. Again time is given since 9 a.m. Tab say we are waiting, we have been waiting for Trisha. So means the activity started in the past only. Okay, and it is going on till now. So that's why we plural have been waiting. What is that sound? I wonder if the neighbor's baby dash again. Now see, I wonder if the neighbor's baby dash again is crying. So no relation is given from the past. That's why present continuous we have used. You look very sleepy. Have you dash enough sleep lately? Lately means see कि क्या आप कल रात को लेट सोए थे? So what happened? Until now you look very sleepy. Now also like he is in deep sleep only. Okay. So have you been getting? Have been getting. Why we have used? Because activity started in the last night. Fine. Lately. So until now it is going on. That's why have been getting. We have used perfect continuous. Our maths teacher dash unwell for the past week. Now see, the word is given already past week, means the relation is given from the past. That's why my maths teacher singular has been feeling. Tolika is fluent in Chinese now. She dash for weekly Chinese classes. She has been going, means in the past only she has started to go for the Chinese classes and now she is fluent, isn't it? It is not like today only she started to go and then today only she is fluent, means she can speak Chinese very well. It's not possible. Okay, so she has been going for weekly Chinese classes. Understood? She started in the past only and now also activity is going on. That's why has been going. Shweta has been watching films all day. All day, by this suppose night is going on. Now also she is watching. That's why has been watching, activity started in the past only. So has been watching, no wonder she can barely keep her eyes open now. So I hope you have understood. Okay, students. Now this is your homework. Complete the passage with the present perfect tense of the given verb. Simple. First of all, you have to put here the form of the present perfect tense and then start filling. Fine. Thank you.